Hi, how are you guys? Many of us use fennel seeds or soap in our cooking. It is used in many dishes for its taste and fragrance, but Ayurveda uses fennel seeds as a medicine for a variety of diseases. These wonderful seeds are especially used in reducing the excess weight because it contains quite a lot of nutrients to cleanse our body and to increase our metabolism. There is a certain way to use these fennel seeds in order to get its maximum benefits. Fennel seeds are the best natural remedy for acidity and peptic ulcers. I'll show you how you should consume this. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel to receive more health updates from me. You can also check out my website rightapath.com. Heat 2 cups of water in a pan. When it comes to your rolling boil, add 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds or soap. You need to boil this until the 2 cups of water reduces to 1 cup. Some people have the problem of bad breath. For them, this is the best natural remedy to remove the bad breath. Filter this water and let this cool down to the room temperature at which you can drink it comfortably. You need to take this in empty stomach in the morning to get its full health benefits. Fennel seeds increase the production of melatonin hormone in our brain, which helps us to get good sleep. The reason you need to take this in empty stomach is you're fasted the whole night. So your body has removed all the toxins and now it's ready to absorb the new nutrients. It's like a sponge waiting to absorb all the nutrients. So it is better to take it in the empty stomach in the morning. You can reduce your excess weight without much of an effort if you drink this regularly. It removes the bad cholesterol naturally. Some people have difficulty in reducing the weight around their belly and waist area. Fennel seeds water will help you reduce that stubborn belly fat. Some people have excess levels of hunger. If you drink this fennel seeds water regularly, this will reduce the cravings to eat. It also removes the excess uric acid from your body and purifies your blood. Some people get knee pain due to excess uric acid in their body. This drink will cure the knee pain. If you have cold or dry cough, take this fennel seeds drink regularly. This is the best natural remedy for you. We live in a world where we cannot avoid pollution. Our body accumulates toxins from it. Drinking this fennel seeds water will detox our body. You can take this fennel seeds drink instead of your morning coffee or tea. Some women have severe period pain. Taking this drink during your periods will reduce the period pain or cramps instantly. If you are a breastfeeding mother, this will also increase your breast milk supply. It also has the ability to control high blood pressure and it also increases your immunity so you won't get any infections that easily. You can take this fennel seeds drink regularly. It is great for your health. If you find this video informative, like this video and share it with your friends. You can stay in touch with me by subscribing to my channel. Take care guys. Bye-bye.